Welcome back to our channel. For this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix contact poster not working in the iOS 17. First thing to do is to open your Contacts app and then tap on My Card above. Go to Contact Photo and Poster by tapping it. In here, make sure that the name and photo sharing is enabled in order for it to work. Then on Share Automatically, choose Contacts Only. After doing that, try to restart your phone and then try calling one of your contacts to try if you can now see their contact poster, and also ask them if they can see your updated poster on their screen during call. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.